On March 16, Niger's ruling junta made a decisive announcement declaring the immediate revocation of its military cooperation agreement with the US. This agreement, which permitted the presence of American military personnel and civilian staff on Nigerian soil, has been abruptly terminated. The junta's decision follows closely on the heels of a recent visit by American officials to Niger, spearheaded by Assistant Secretary of State for African Affairs Molifi, accompanied by General Michael Langley, the head of the US Africa Command. However, Colonel Amadou Abramane, the junta's spokesperson, articulated on national television that the visit failed to adhere to diplomatic protocols. Specifically, the junta was not formally informed about the composition of the visiting team, the date of their arrival, or the agenda they intended to pursue during their time in the West African nation. Niger regrets the intention of the American delegation to deny the sovereign Nigerian people the right to choose their partners and types of partnerships capable of truly helping them fight against terrorism, said Abramane. He added, also the government of Niger forcefully denounces the condescending attitude accompanied by the threat of retaliation from the head of the American delegation towards the Nigerian government and people. According to the junta spokesperson, the officials discussed the current military transition in the country, military cooperation between Niger and the US, and Niger's choice of partners in the fight against militants linked to Al-Qaeda and Islamic State. The ruling junta in Niger seized power last year and has since kicked out the French and other European forces from the country and turned to Russia for support. The country's neighbors, Mali and Burkina Faso, have taken similar steps in recent years. As of 2023, there were around 1,100 American troops in Niger, which operated out of two bases, including a drone base worth $100 million known as Airbase 201, built near Agadez in central Niger. Since 2018, the base has been used to target Islamic State militants and Jamaat Nusrat al-Islam wal Muslimin, an Al-Qaeda-linked group. As of December, the US reportedly had some 650 personnel working in Niger, including troops stationed at the major drone base. Abramane highlighted in his statement that the presence and status of American troops in Niger were deemed illegal, citing a violation of their constitutional and democratic principles. According to him, this arrangement was unilaterally imposed on the African nation back in 2012. However, despite these assertions, he refrained from directly questioning the departure of US troops from Niger.